This is Brian Kerkvliet at Inspiration Farm in Bellingham, Washington. And one of the things is that if you harvest grains, if you have grains at home, it's like you probably aren't going to go out and buy a $500,000 combine and park it in your driveway. I mean, it would be kind of cool. You can tell the neighbors, like, yeah, that's my combine, all right. What's your combine like? Oh, you don't have one? Yes, I grow my own grain. Thresh it with this combine. Takes me 12 seconds. So the thing is that for smaller stuff, you could get a smaller thresher, but those would be like $20,000. So and then the other thing is like you could use the old school approach where you would beat it with sticks. A long time. It was like gruel. And of course, back 200 years ago, threshing grain, it was like when it was your birthday, you would get a birthday cake because that cake is like, today's money, that's a $100 cake you're getting. The idea that you're eating grain, this is a very rare thing. But thanks to the combine and farm subsidies, then we all get to have all kinds of grain-based things for really cheap now.
Pie.
What?
Pie.
Pie and pie. Oh, geez, pie. I got a pie today. And I get to have it when I'm done here. So we're going to hurry this up. So Brian Kerkvliet came up with two different designs for a do-it-yourself grain thresher. One featured a plastic bucket and a drill. And I was amazed at how fast it worked. I mean, when you've tried beating grain with a stick, and then you see this, that was awesome. And then he's got this other contraption. It's a converted wood chipper, which, I hate wood chippers. I'm totally against them. But here he's got an electric wood chipper, and it threshed that grain mighty quick. What an awesome thing. And in that same video that I have, this is from a video I took that's on YouTube right now. From that same video, he also does winnowing.